In this video, I will show you how to fix some Excel options are grayed out. So if you see some options are inactive, so you can try this setting. File, More, then Options. Here click on Advanced and underneath Display. Here you will see this setting, display options for this workbook. So for objects, select all. If for any reason nothing is selected, so you have to select all, then click on OK. So now all the options will be activated. So this is the method you can try to resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.